Supreme Court comes hard on Buhari, assures him of going to jail, if possible, after retirement. My people, we greet you all this very morning. This is the Lord CV. Whatever the Supreme Court may have said concerning President Muhammad Buhari retirement and also going to jail after retirement, I would say it is carried. It is very much carried. Why did I say so? I said so because President Muhammad Buhari has abused the administration. And that's why I said what I said, that his apology of "I am sorry" is coming very late. If you check all the promises, all the promises that President Muhammad Buhari has made since he came into power in 2015, none of these promises were kept. You understand? None of them were kept. They all fell flat. None of them were kept. They are all rubbish. In fact, Nigerians regret having this administration. So, and the administration, I will tell you, has actually dragged the country to a very serious debt. And that just, let's check the content and know what this Supreme Court is actually saying. This is morning news. The Supreme Court on Friday descended heavily on the president, Major General Muhammad Buhari, for disobeying its earlier order that the old 1,500 and 200 notes should be allowed to circulate with the newly redesigned notes until the final determination of the suit filed by some state governments on the matter. The Apex Court also ordered that the old Naira notes be allowed to circulate side by side. The new notes until December 31st, 2023. A 7-man panel of the Supreme Court led by Justice John Okoro gave the judgment. Other justices that sat on the case are Emmanuel Ajim, Amina Age, Mohammed Gaba, Ibrahim Salawa, Adamu Jaro, and Tijani Abubakar. In the judgment delivered by Justice Ajim, the Apex Court held that Buhari breached the Constitution in the manner he issued directives for the redesigning of the Naira. On the disobedience of the Supreme Court's earlier order on the new notes, Justice Ajim said Buhari's broadcast of February 16, 2023, that only the 200 notes should remain legal tender, made the country's democracy look like a mere pretension. Justice Ajim stated, "Let me consider the issue of the president's disobedience of the 8th 2nd 2023 interim order that the new and old version of Naira notes continue to circulate as legal tender until the determination of the pending application for interlocutory injunction. It is not in dispute that the first defendant refused to obey the said order. The president, on the 16th of February 2023, national broadcast reproduced here in pages 27 and 31 demonstrates this disobedience of the order. He directed that only the old 200 Naira notes be recirculated. Interestingly, there is nothing to show the implementation of even that directive. I agree with the ninth plaintiff that The first defendant is not entitled to be heard by this court when it has refused to respect the authority of this court and the authority of law from which the authority of the president and the government of Nigeria derives. All right, my people, it has been said. It has been said. You see, there is no time that Mr. President will not be arrested. I've said before that his case may even be worse than that of Obiano. Buhari's arrest will not be, may not even be up to up to 1 hour before he will be arrested. I tell you, it is possible that the moment the moment he finished giving his retirement speech, they will hold him down. They will hold him down. Do you understand? Because forget it, he might be old, but he has his senses intact. He has his senses intact. You've heard it when he said he's relocating. So it is better he is held down. So my people, you've heard it already from the Supreme Court and the action that they intended to take immediately he leaves office. It is normal because Buhari never did the right thing. You understand? So my people, as you've heard, let's quickly hear from you and let's know what's your take and what's your opinion on all that has just been said may be. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.